I know you all are fit and fine. Today we will be doing a new topic of grammar, that is your describing words. So children, today we will be doing describing words. So now you must be wondering what is the meaning of describing words. Yes, you all have your favorite toys, isn't it? Even I have a favorite color box, and this is my favorite color box. And when we want to speak more about something, we are describing that thing. For example, if I want to describe this color box, then what can I say? My color box is very nice, right? So let me write it down for you all. My color box is very nice, I can say. Box is nice. Then I can say my color box is yellow in color. My color box is yellow in color. Then I can say it has many crayons in it. So my third sentence can be it has many crayons, or I can say it has 10 crayons in it. Okay, I can write now 10 crayons. It has 10 crayons in it. It has 10 crayons. I will write it has 10 crayons. Right. So now what have I done? I have described my favorite color box. Yes, and what are the describing words? My color box is nice. So what is the describing word in this? Nice. I am describing my color box as nice. The second sentence. My color box is yellow in color. Now I am describing the color of my color box. So it is yellow in color. In the third sentence, what have I written? It has 10 crayons. So I am describing number of crayons in my color box. So 10 is the describing word. So what have I done? I have described my color box. Similarly, you all can describe your favorite toy, your favorite pencil box, your tiffin box, anything. And how do you describe? You tell about it, and there we use describing words. So children, now let us understand about describing words. So what are describing words? Describing words are also called adjectives. So adjectives is another name of describing words. And what are adjectives? Yes, words that describe the quality, size, words that describe the quality, size, shape, color, taste and number of a noun are called adjectives. You all know what are nouns, children. The names of person, places, animal or things are your noun. So now the words which describe the quality. For example, good boy. You know boy is a person and the quality of that person boy is he is a good boy. So good becomes your adjective. Size, big house. You know house is a place. We go to our house, right? So house is a place and big house. So I am describing my house as big house. So big is your adjective. Next is oval face. Yes, the shape of my face is oval. So oval is your adjective. All shapes are adjectives. Salty chips. Right, salty chips. Now I am describing the taste of chips. That is salty. So salty is adjective. Red dress. Now dress is a thing. So it is a noun. So red dress. Now my dress is red in color. So red, all colors are your adjective. 10 pencils. I have 10 pencils in my pencil box. 10. All numbers are your adjectives. Okay children? So what are adjectives? Words that describe the quality, size, shape, color, taste, number of a noun are called adjectives. Now let us understand adjectives in detail.
Describing words. Words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place or thing are called adjectives.
So children, you know that adjectives are the words that describe a noun. And you all know what are nouns. Nouns are the names of persons, places, animal or thing. Yes children, nouns are the names of person, places, animal or thing. Now let us take an example of a person. Girl is a person. Girl is a person. A girl can be described as a small girl, or you can say a beautiful girl, a tall girl, a short girl, or an intelligent girl, etc. So here small word is describing the girl. So small is an adjective. The words small, beautiful, tall, they are describing the looks or behavior of a girl. Now let us take another example of a place. Yes, now you know that park. Park is a place. Yes children, park is a place. Now park can be described as a big park. We are describing the park as big. So big is an adjective which is describing the place park. Now let us take example of animal. Now dog is an animal. So now we can describe the dog as black dog or cute dog or white dog. So these words are adjectives. The colors are adjectives. Black dog. So we are describing the color of a dog as black. So black is an adjective. Now next come things. Right children? Things are also nouns. So I have taken an example of a frock. Yes, frock is a thing. I can make a sentence as I have a new frock. So here I am describing my frock as new. So new is an adjective used to describe a frock. So children, the words small, big, black, new are describing words or adjectives. So these are the describing words. Now let us know more about adjectives.
Words for numbers, colors, size and shape are also adjectives. For example, smart boy, green parrot, big hall, round ball, one hen and two chicks. So, we see that words used to describe quality, color, size, shape and number are called adjectives. An adjective also describes how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells or sounds like. For example, beautiful girl, salty chips, soft pillow, fresh fragrance, loud music. Here, beautiful describes the looks of the girl. Salty describes the taste of the chips. Soft describes the feel of the pillow. Fresh describes the fragrance of the perfume. And loud describes the sound of the music.
So children, let's practice. Let's do an exercise on adjectives. The exercise is choose the adjectives in the following sentences. First sentence is she wore a white dress. Second is Shiva is a fat man. What kind of a man is Shiva? He is a fat man. Now, the third sentence is Brian is a tall boy. What kind of a boy is Brian? He is a tall boy. Find the adjective in the sentence. Next sentence is there are 3 roses in the vase. How many roses are there in the vase? 3 roses are there in the vase. Next sentence, Sarah has an oval face. So what kind of a face Sarah has? She has an oval face. Now, in the first sentence, she wore a white dress. Here, white is describing the dress. White is a color. All colors are your adjectives. And white is describing the noun dress. She wore a white dress. So, white is an adjective. In the second sentence, Shiva is a fat man. The word fat is describing the man Shiva. So, fat is an adjective. In the third sentence, Brian is a tall boy. Tall word is describing the boy Brian. So, tall is an adjective. Fourth sentence, there are 3 roses in the vase. All numbers are your adjectives. So, 3 is an adjective. Fifth sentence, Sarah has an oval face. Now, oval is a shape. And you know that all shapes are adjective. So, what kind of a face Sarah has? She has an oval face. So, oval is an adjective.
Now let's recap. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. Adjectives tell us the size, shape, taste, touch, color, feeling, and the number of a noun. Some examples of adjectives are big, small, fat, angry, huge, two, red, black, first, beautiful, long, and hot.